Hi friends, today we're going to take a train from Colombo to Galle, a charming seaside town in the south. Our destination today, Galle, sits about 119 kilometers away from Colombo, and it's on the southwestern part of the island. So our train today departs from platform 5, so let's go look for it. But before that, maybe we'll try and get hold of a snack. And here comes my train. As you might have seen, the train was pretty crowded, and I only managed to get a seat after about an hour. It was an aisle seat, and it was something better than nothing. The view made up for the inconvenience, as this train followed Sri Lankan Railways coastal line, and almost the entire journey was the seaside type of scenery. So after 3 hours, friends, we finally reached Galle. So now we're going to take a walk around the town and see what there is. Right friends, we have some time, so let's take a look at Galle Fort and the very promising looking seaside area. Well, beautiful scenery, but unfortunately time is a bit tight, so we'll have to head back to Pedlar Street where those shops were just now. So back at the railway station where we are about to head back to Colombo, it was a day well spent, except that perhaps the timing wasn't that good. Another way around this is to actually hire a car and get yourself to Galle. The only thing is that you will lose out, you will not be able to witness the coastal railway scene because the road is quite far away from the rail tracks. So to end off friends, let's have some light music here provided by this drummer. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you soon. Please like and comment. It helps the channel. So have a nice day.